The HydroPro Plus and the HydroPro were designed with easy cleaning, simple maintenance, and food safety in mind. These units feature toolless disassembly and a smooth IPX7 certified water-resistant construction. To clean the exterior of the appliance, a soft damp cloth is all that's necessary. If your device needs further cleaning due to a spill or buildup, you may pop the base of the unit off and remove the magnetic impeller. The clamp, foot, and impeller are dishwasher safe. The clamp is easily removed and may be unlocked with the tab on the sidearm. If your unit has a buildup of mineral scale, you can access the descale cycle from the settings menu. As part of HACCP compliance and best practice, it is important to ensure that your core temperature probes are calibrated regularly and that they are reading accurately across the range. By entering the probe calibration feature from the settings menu, you can set a yearly reminder to calibrate your probe or calibrate as often as you like. If you've not recently descaled your unit, it's advisable to do so before calibrating. Mineral buildup can interfere with proper reading. To begin, ensure that your appliance is submerged to a level that will allow the probe tip to sit in the bath. You'll also need a small ice bath nearby. Connect the probe that you wish to calibrate and select Probe Calibration from the settings menu. You'll be prompted to turn a yearly calibration reminder on or off. When finished, select Calibrate Now and follow the on-screen prompts to calibrate your probe. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and follow us on all of our channels for more great content.